After 48 months of groundbreaking innovation, the MOZART Project has reached its finale. Our journey began with a bold vision to revolutionize European surface finishing by providing a safe, sustainable alternative to hard chromium. We started at the molecular level. Using generative AI and machine learning, we dreamed up safer chemical structures to replace boric acid, ensuring our coatings were sustainable by design from the very first pixel. From the lab to the factory floor, we scaled our research into reality. We validated our REACH-compliant chemistry in 250-liter industrial pilot tanks, supported by revolutionary real-time monitoring that tracks nanoparticles down to 50 nanometers. The results speak for themselves. Our Ni-matrix nanocomposites achieved a Vickers hardness exceeding 1000 HV, matching the durability of traditional chromium while drastically reducing friction for industrial gears. Performance didn't come at a cost to the planet. We achieved a massive 70% reduction in solid waste and sludge, proving that the green transition is not just a theory, it is a factory-ready solution. We leave the industry with a powerful digital asset, the C-Safe Decision Support Tool. It synthesizes all our technical and environmental data into a practical resource for future manufacturers. Now let's see about the end-user applications from the MOZART project. Application 1. Helical gears. In the machining industry, these critical motor components are being coated with MOZART's nanocomposites. The goal? To drastically reduce friction, eliminate wear, and provide heavy-duty corrosion defense, all without a single drop of toxic chrome. Application 2. Stamping dies. These massive industrial molds shape sheet metal under intense pressure, usually relying on hard chromium to survive the impact. MOZART's sustainable coating is being tested here to absorb that brutal mechanical stress, extend the tool's operational lifespan, and ensure it can be easily repaired when worn down. Application 3. Piston rods. Operating deep inside automotive combustion engines, these rods face extreme heat and mechanical fatigue. This application pushes the MOZART coating to its absolute limits, proving it can deliver superior hardness and wear resistance under the most demanding automotive conditions. This success belongs to our 15 dedicated partners. Together, we have connected the dots for a greener, safer European manufacturing landscape. Thank you for being part of the MOZART journey.